Welcome to Coding Blind Tech. Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to Coding Blind Tech. It's Keith here again, and in today's video, we're actually just going to be talking about some exciting stuff coming up. But before we actually jump into talking about that, I want to share some information with you that will hopefully make it a little bit easier, or at least give another method to be able to get in contact with me, or to be able to ask questions and for me to answer. And you can also get more information about what's going on. And that's going to be on Facebook. So if you go to my website, which I'll drop a information in the description below, and then also I'll be sure to pin a comment with the link to the website. But if you go to codingblindtech.com, and then on codingblindtech.com, if you go to the very top of the page,
same page link, skip to content.
All right, and then you can tab or you can down arrow till you get to the social links.
Banner list with 4 link, current link, resource link, about, out of list, social links, grouping link, Coding Blind Tech on YouTube.
So the first one you'll come to, you already know about, which is YouTube. And then the
link, Coding Blind Tech on X.
We also have X, but if that's a better method for you, that's available as well. The next one,
visited link, Coding Blind Tech on Facebook,
is Facebook. So if you click this link right here, it will take you to my Facebook page. And again, make sure you follow that way so you can stay up to date. That's where I'm going to be posting information about upcoming videos, and I also post content about Meta glasses and my experience with those. So be sure that you go to Facebook if that's your way, or if you like that better. That's a way that you can get a hold of me. And also, again, I will always be linking any upcoming videos or talking about information on Facebook as well. So be sure to follow me there. Okay, so getting right into it, what's exciting, what's coming up? Well, the first thing is, if you go to, since you're already on codingblindtech.com, I posted a new blog, and that blog does cover the tic-tac-toe game that I recently put out to show AI development while using a screen reader. So the exciting part is not only now you can go in and read the blog and have that to refer to, but I also am going to provide the tic-tac-toe repository on my GitHub in a way to where you can easily bring it down on your machine. And then there is a couple prerequisites, some things you'll have to install. Docker is one of them, and very well could be the only thing now that I'm thinking about it. But the goal is for you to be able to pull it down on your machine, and then I'm going to go through a series of videos where you actually are able to run that game on your machine. You can use Codex CLI to be able to update the game, change the game, make the game more yours. And then the most exciting part is that I'm actually going to show you how you can take Tailscale, and then Tailscale is a service that will actually allow you to apply a SSL certificate providing HTTPS, and then you can expose that over your Wi-Fi network. And then that means that the game is accessible not only from your computer, but any other computer in your house, or also devices, right? So phones, tablets, and that's exciting, but that's not the last step. The step after that will be to turn it into a progressive web app. And now what a progressive web app allows us to do is think of it like an app in the App Store on an iPhone, or Google Play on an Android, but you're able to actually just go to the browser, download that app, and it puts it on your phone, and it gives you that app-like experience. Now, this is super cool because you can then play it on your phone, and I'm going to show you how to set it up with a database and keep data. And again, this is AI development. So as long as you understand the system that you're trying to build, the process, the flow, and the things that need to be in place, then you can build it and it can be a game that you play at home. So, and it doesn't stop there. We're going to keep continuing till we get to multiplayer. So make sure you stick along, subscribe if you haven't already, and follow. Make sure you for sure check out X or Facebook. I'm reachable on either of those platforms, and I will be sure to keep things updated on those platforms as well. So this is pretty cool. I'm excited about this series. Make sure you check out the other playlists that I have set up. I'm trying to get through and create more to give more guidance around specific topics and areas. If you have anything that you want to see in the future, or again, have any questions, or just want to say hey, make sure you come check me out on X or Facebook. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.